Devilman wanted by cops in shooting death of baby mother's spouse. Sibling dispute leads to stabbing. Office attendant charged. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police in the St. Catherine Division have issued a wanted person notice for 34-year-old Peter Daylan Davis, who they say is known by aliases Devils and Devilman. Davis, who is unemployed, with last known addresses in the Penn District, Riverdale, and West Prospect Bogwalk areas of St. Catherine, is being sought in connection with a recent murder in the parish. Reports from the police are that the incident occurred in the early hours of December 17, around 7:35 a.m. in the Penn District, Riverdale area of St. Catherine. It is alleged that Davis went to the home of the mother of his children, a 40-year-old caregiver, and allegedly fatally shot Richard Swaby, also known as Richie or Billy. Swaby was a 30-year-old carpenter and the current partner of Devil's Man's baby mother. Following the shooting, Davis reportedly fled the scene on foot. The police are urging the public to be on the lookout for Peter Daylan Davis and to report any sightings or information immediately. Davis is considered to be dangerous and the public is advised against approaching him. Instead, they are requested to contact the Police Emergency Number 119, Crime Stop at 311, the NIB tip line at 811, or the nearest police station. A Kingston 6 office attendant who was charged for wounding with intent following a stabbing incident at her Kintyre Close, Kingston 6 home a month ago. Charge is 42-year-old Deborah Thompson. Reports from the Papine Police are that about 9:30 a.m. November 5th, Thompson and the complainant were at the Kintyre Close location when an argument developed which reportedly became physical. During the altercation, the accused reportedly used a knife to stab her sibling in his neck. The police were summoned and he was taken to hospital where he was admitted in serious condition. Thompson surrendered to the police and was subsequently charged on December 19. Her court date is being finalized, the police stated.